Hello everyone, this is a short video about how to use Screen Cast-O-Matic. So if you find yourself like many of us that are suddenly online and having to prepare lessons, this is a strategy you can try. So once you download Screen Cast-O-Matic, you'll get a little widget that looks like this. Once you click it, you can launch the recorder itself. And so I'm using Chrome here, Chrome browser. Once you do it, you get a little pop-up window. So you can just click it like that, and you will eventually get the recorder to be launched. So I'm just giving it a second here. I'm going to use this video to show how to do this on a PowerPoint. So if you're planning to use something like that to structure your lesson a bit. So once you do it, you'll get a little kind of black and white outline window that looks like this. And what I'm doing is I'm just setting this up to be on the actual main window here. The reason I'm doing this is because everything that's outside of this window, the students won't see. And so this will give me a chance to keep up with what I'm doing, take notes, stuff like that, in a way that won't influence all of that. So once you're ready, you can set up to just record the screen. You can do just your webcam, or you can do both. So for right now, I'm using a different program. I'm using something called Screen Cast-O-Matic, and as you can see, I do have my webcam here. So the idea of this is that once you're ready, you can just hit record at the bottom here. The max time is 15 minutes for the free version, which is pretty good for a free version. And this is just showing me that my audio is picking up. So make sure that does happen. Once you're ready, you can click record. It'll give you a little countdown. And there you go. So at this point, it is recording. So you just start talking about it. The benefits to using a program like this and the way that I'm doing it is, especially if you have like a pen. So if you do have a touchscreen and a pen, you also have these draw functions on top here. So you can do things like highlight. So as I'm talking, I can be highlighting things like that. I can be drawing things as well. It's just a way to communicate a little more easily than just having students assume that they know what you're looking at on the screen. The other reason I do this is because, as you can see here, what I can do is I can add notes and I can actually see them, but the students cannot. This is just a nice quick way. Sometimes this will happen as just happen, where the window will kind of move around. You can just kind of reorganize it a bit, but you will find every now and then you accidentally grab this little window. So it's not too noticeable, but just if you're very picky about things like that, you can end up moving things around. So other than that, as you flip back and forth, again, I do this as well because down the left side, I can see how I'm navigating, so I can also figure out what's coming next in my lessons, and it just gives me a way to organize my actual lesson that I'm teaching. Once you're done, you just hit pause, and once you hit pause on the right side, you click done. It'll pop up this little window, so you would click save and upload. Once you click on that, you'll get a preview of your actual video, and you can save to video file, which is what I'm doing. You can also just directly upload to Screencast-O-Matic or YouTube. So I'm going to save as a video file. When I do that, it'll give me a file name, the desktop, and a cursor. The cursor just means you can see the mouse or not see the mouse. Once you're ready, you just click publish, and that's pretty much it. Now you have your video. You can upload this to your Schoology or Google Classroom or whatever you're using. So hopefully this was a bit helpful, and if you do have questions, you can reach me in the comments below.